Very important note. While using the device to search for the following targets: diamonds, gemstones, please put the Deep Master unit in the ground in any nearby randomly area in order to properly be searching for these targets and more effectively. Measuring the depth of the target. At the highest point of the target, enter the wedges or pegs from the Deep Master unit about 8 cm in the ground. Set the precise frequency to 5. Select the target program from the main unit. Wait 3-4 minutes. Stand on the target and watch the antennas turn into one side. And this is the first point of signal. After moving from the target point, you will notice that the antennas will gradually move forward. Stop when the antennas turn back on one side, and this is the second point of signal. The approximate depth of the target is the distance between the two signal points, with the slope of 45 degrees from the second point. Several depth measurements are required from various other signal points to measure depth more accurately. The digital voltmeter on the Deep Master shows the voltage of the battery. Ionic scan system. Ionic System Use. We install the mini sensors in its socket in the device and we tighten the loop for fixation. We select the Ionic system from the System Selection menu, then it will show the Ionic oscillation screen. The Ionic scan system is used to detect ionic fields produced by long buried underground metals. All minerals have their own ionic fields, and this effect is increased by the increased time of minerals' presence in the ground, and by the acquisition of the metal for more electrons from the surrounding environment. These effects vary depending on the metal and the different terrestrial factors in this area.